Creating roofs by footprint. We can create a roof by the footprint of the building. So the outer edges of the building is the footprint. Where we find the roofs in Revit is we go up to our Build Architecture tab, go to our Build panel, and then over here we have roofs. And we have a variety of ways of making our roofs, and we want to go to roof by footprint. So we're going to define what the footprint is. We have two ways of doing that. We can select on that, and the two ways is that we can pick it by the walls or we can draw lines. We get this dialog box that says, wait a minute, you have created the roof on the lowest level, and we have two levels here, first floor and a second floor, and would you like to move it to level 2? And so by default AutoCAD puts it to this second level. We can hit the down arrow and say no, we really don't want it on level 1. So you can move it to any level, like level 4 or whatever. So I'm going to say yes. And now that throws me into a draw mode under the create roof footprint over here. And right now the boundary line is the one that's selected. It wants to pick the boundary of the roof. So what I can do is I can come along and I can select on each line of the footprint. So I'll pick on each one of these lines, and I picked all 4 lines at this point. And once I have selected them, you'll notice that I have up here in my options bar, I have defined slopes, which these are the ones that have slopes with a little roof triangle. This is the rise over run slope triangle. And then we can have extend to the wall core. So the roof is going to extend over the wall core, not just hang over the inside wall, which is I'm going to do. And we can also specify an overhang. And that's how much the roof is going to hang over the exterior wall, and we like to go up to a foot to 2 feet of overhang that protects the exterior walls from the elements, so that the rain doesn't go down the side of the exterior wall, that it actually shades it from the sun, and it actually protects it from the rain as well. So I'll put at this case I'll put in 2 feet for an overhang. And then when I'm done, I go up and I finish the edit mode. And it says, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? I'll say yes. And there we go. Now you might find it hard to see in a level 1 or a level 2 type of scenario. And you can see, oh yeah, something happened here. So let's go and take a look at this. The best way to do this is to go up into our 3D mode and look at it in our 3D mode. You can see the roof has a hip roof because we put a slope on all 4 sides. All 4 sides are sloping, and I can come down here and say I want to go shaded, or I can even go with realistic here, and that'll help us with seeing the roof perhaps a little better. And so we can move around any way we want here and see things any way we like. All right.